If you just swapped your wheels or had your tires changed at a shop, then don't freak out if all of your TPS lights come on like Christmas lights. Here's a 2-minute tutorial on resetting your TPMS sensors. On the stalk on the right, there's a button for enter and 2 buttons for up and down. Select main menu, scroll down and select tire pressure, select settings, and then pick your tires. Even if you have your tires already selected and working, you can reset the sensors by picking tires again. Pick your tires and the sensors reset. Up or down, and it's learning again. Now, just drive around and the sensors should recalibrate. The going wisdom is around 2 miles, but as you can see, mine will reset much quicker. And almost immediately, it recalibrated.